Welcome back to Rorys Workshop. Today we're on a road trip. We're travelling from our headquarters in Somerset to Corby, Northamptonshire. We're collecting a car, sadly not for me, or for us. Although it is a car that I would like in the collection, but I can't see it happening somehow. I've got a small trailer on board. I haven't got my trailer. We've got James Pring's small plant trailer, because it's not big, which should be quite interesting. We set off early this morning and we're booling up. It's 200 miles there, 200 miles back, and yeah, we're just ploughing on up the M5, which seems to be as rough as a badger's backside. But bear with us and we'll try and film it. Apparently typically it ran when parked. The person who's bought the car bought it at the beginning of lockdown back into February, March time. And obviously he's not been able to get a courier to come and to go up and collect it and bring it back to him. So he's asked me if I wouldn't mind running up, so be a day out if nothing else. But I spoke to the person who sold it yesterday and he said, have you got a winch on your trailer? That's never a good sign. I much prefer collecting cars that run, because it's just far easier. So I thought, well, we'll film this and we'll see how we go. So we'll film us trying to start it and get it running, because I'd much rather it was in running condition. The honest is, it last around about 5 months ago and the battery was not very well. So I've got jump leads in the back, I've got a fresh battery in the back, and obviously I've got the Discovery, which should start it. So yeah, we'll just bool on up. It's going to take us about 3.5 hours, 4 hours to get there, get loaded up, we'll grab a bite to eat, and then we'll bool on back and hopefully get dropped off today, which would be nice. So bear with us, we'll keep you updated with anything that interesting that happens, and I'll catch you in the moment. Well, we've made it. Goodness knows how. We just nipped to Rockingham as well on the way in. That was nice. A lot's changed. What have we come to get? Halflinger, of course. What else? It's a fantastic little bit of kit. Weighs about 700 kilos. 4-wheel drive, of course, pottle axles. And the main thing is, look at this. Kubota. It's not really at the moment. The starter motor's not too well, so we're going to bump start it to get it onto the trailer and lash it down and get it gone. Looking forward to this. I've not driven one of these yet. Here's the interior. Sparse, but it works. And we're now going to bump start it to get it running, and then we'll load it. Back in a minute. Oh. Brakes are there. Mostly.
Well, it's running.
Yeah, it runs alright.
Don't stall it.
Eco-friendly doors.
Yes. Security optional.
Well, let's up the ramps and get it on. I'll let you drive it, because I know you have it fun.
Here we go, it's loading it up. Ramp's a bit narrower than usual. He's having way too much fun. Like a glove.
Handbrake works. Looks about right, doesn't it?
Yeah.
So I've arrived nice and safely, which is always good after especially a long day. It's been just over 400 miles round trip, but worth it. What a vehicle. We're going to keep an eye on this one. I'm not going to be working on it. I'm going to leave it. James is going to do most of the work on it. We will catch up with this in the future though, because I want to take it off road and I want to see just what it can do. Having seen loads of videos, you've got to try it yourself, haven't you? So I'll give you a quick look underneath. It's all on this sort of frame here, and then you got the portal axles, and it does have 2- and 4-wheel drive, and the 2-cylinder Kubota engine. Fantastic. As I say, we've got the 3-cylinder in our lawnmower. So that sort of gives you the idea. If we've got a 3-cylinder lawnmower, this is going to be quite interesting on the road. But here's all on the outside. As I said, the starter mode will need to come off to have just to be gone through, really, just to freshen up, because it has been standing for some time. And unfortunately, one of the master cylinders, slave cylinders, has burst. But it's one of those things. Unfortunately, you can still get parts for these, I think, fairly easily. But I think that'll do for today. It's been a hell of a day. I'm going to come back here, but I'll be back here soon to work on other projects, no doubt. But thanks very much for watching. Stay safe out there, and I'll catch up with you all soon. Take care. Bye now.